Welcome to Decolova, and to a home that feels like a graceful whisper from another era, yet still belongs fully to 2026. This elegant luxury home tour opens with a sense of calm confidence, where every detail has been chosen with care and every room tells a quiet story. Rather than chasing trends too loudly, this interior embraces a refined classic mood that never rushes to impress. It invites you in slowly, like a beautifully composed melody, revealing layers of warmth, texture, and sophistication with every step. The result is a home that feels lived in, elevated, and deeply memorable. Romantic classic interiors have a special kind of charm because they balance softness with structure, elegance with comfort, and tradition with fresh appeal. In this home, the classic elements are never heavy or formal in a distant way. Instead, they feel light enough to breathe, but rich enough to create presence. Think graceful silhouettes, subtle curves, tailored finishes, and thoughtfully layered decor that brings character without clutter. This is the kind of design that makes a room feel polished and personal at the same time. Every corner seems to carry a sense of romance, but it is a romance grounded in timeless design. The living area immediately sets the tone with its balanced composition and inviting atmosphere. Nothing here feels over-decorated, and yet nothing feels empty either. The furniture arrangement encourages conversation and comfort, while the styling adds a collected feeling that suggests the room has evolved naturally over time. Soft fabrics, elegant shapes, and carefully chosen accents work together to create a space that is visually rich but never overwhelming. It is the kind of room where guests would instinctively lower their voices, not because it is strict or formal, but because the atmosphere itself feels calm, thoughtful, and beautifully composed. One of the most captivating elements in this home is the use of texture to create depth and interest. Instead of relying on bold patterns or flashy statements, the design leans into tactile beauty. Think smooth surfaces paired with woven details, plush upholstery against polished finishes, and subtle contrasts that make the room feel alive. Quiet luxury often lives in these small decisions, where the eye can wander without being shocked by anything too loud. Here, texture becomes the language of sophistication, giving each room a sense of richness that is felt before it is fully noticed. That is what makes the design so enduring. The dining space carries the same elegant rhythm, but with a warmer social heartbeat. It feels designed for dinners that stretch into the evening, for meaningful conversations, and for moments that linger long after the plates have been cleared. The table setting and surrounding details suggest a home that values gathering as much as aesthetics. Classic lines meet romantic softness, creating an environment that feels both polished and welcoming. There is a gentle formality here, but it never becomes rigid. Instead, the space encourages connection, making every meal feel like an occasion without needing to announce itself too loudly. gives this home its emotional depth is the careful attention to details that might seem small on their own, but together create a complete story. Decorative trims, elegant moldings, balanced proportions, and refined accents all work in harmony to build a sense of harmony and intention. There is no feeling of randomness here. Every object seems placed with a purpose, and every surface contributes to the wider mood. This is where timeless interiors shine. They do not depend on novelty to feel special. Instead, they rely on proportion, restraint, and beauty that lasts beyond a passing season. That is the true art of classic luxury. As the home tour continues, the bedroom spaces bring a more intimate expression of the same design language. These rooms feel restful without being plain, luxurious without becoming cold, and romantic without feeling overly delicate. Soft bedding, elegant furniture, and a thoughtful palette create a retreat that supports both relaxation and beauty. The atmosphere suggests slow mornings, quiet evenings, and a private world where comfort is just as important as style. Each bedroom appears to have its own personality, yet all of them remain connected by the same timeless thread. It is a reminder that true luxury often begins with how a room makes you feel. Light is where this home truly comes alive, and it deserves to be seen as the final finishing touch rather than just a functional necessity. Natural daylight softens the classic details, highlights the textures, and gives the interiors an almost cinematic glow. In the evening, layered lighting would likely transform the mood again, making the home feel warmer, more intimate, and even more romantic. The way light interacts with the surfaces, fabrics, and architectural lines is what reveals the full elegance of the design. Without it, the rooms would be beautiful. With it, they become unforgettable. It is the gentle secret behind the home's timeless charm. Beyond the furniture and styling, the architecture itself plays a powerful role in shaping the mood of the home. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and classic detailing give the interiors a strong sense of order without making them feel stiff. This is the kind of design language that does not need to shout to be noticed. Instead, it stands with quiet confidence, offering a framework that allows every room to feel elegant and complete. The architecture acts like the spine of the home, steady and refined, giving the romantic classic style a sense of permanence that feels especially meaningful in 2026. The color story in this home feels carefully composed, leaning into soft sophistication rather than dramatic contrast. Gentle neutrals, warm undertones, and understated accents help create a mood that feels inviting from the first glance. Nothing competes for attention, and that restraint is exactly what makes the design feel so luxurious. The palette supports the furniture and decor rather than overpowering them, allowing the entire space to breathe. This kind of color harmony is often what transforms a beautiful room into a deeply memorable one, because it gives the eye a place to rest while still keeping the atmosphere rich and expressive. The furnishings throughout this home appear to honor traditional elegance while still feeling perfectly suited to contemporary living. Instead of looking formal or untouchable, the pieces seem approachable and thoughtfully chosen for real life. Their shapes are graceful, their presence is refined, and their placement supports both beauty and functionality. This balance is what makes the design feel so relevant today. It shows that classic furniture does not have to live in the past. When styled with care, it can feel fresh, current, and deeply desirable, especially in a home that values comfort as much as visual harmony. Even the transitional spaces in this home seem to matter, and that is one of the strongest signs of a well-designed interior. The hallway is not treated as a forgotten passage, but as a meaningful part of the story. It sets a tone of elegance as you move from one room to the next, almost like a quiet pause between chapters in a novel. Subtle decor choices, balanced framing, and consistent design language make the space feel intentional. Rather than rushing through it, you are invited to slow down and appreciate how every part of the home contributes to the whole atmosphere. What makes the romantic side of this interior so effective is the restraint behind it. There are delicate details, but they never tip into sweetness or overstatement. Instead, the romance is carried through gentle curves, refined finishes, and a sense of softness that feels mature and composed. This allows the home to remain timeless rather than themed. Every decorative touch feels like part of a larger visual rhythm, not a standalone statement. That subtlety is exactly what gives the interiors their lasting appeal. They charm you gradually, revealing their beauty in layers rather than trying to win your attention all at once. Luxury in this home does not come at the expense of livability. In fact, one of its greatest strengths is how naturally beautiful spaces still feel usable and comfortable. The rooms appear designed for real moments, whether that means reading in a quiet corner, hosting guests, or simply enjoying a slower daily rhythm. This practicality gives the elegance more depth, because it shows that the home is not just for looking at. It is for living in, moving through, and making memories inside. That balance between aesthetics and function is what makes the design feel sincere rather than staged. While the overall atmosphere remains calm, there is still a sense of visual drama woven into the decorative layers. It appears in the way objects are grouped, in the contrast between materials, and in the gentle interplay of shapes across the room. This is not the kind of drama that feels theatrical or overwhelming. Instead, it is refined like a soft crescendo in music. The home knows when to stay quiet and when to make a graceful impression. That balance keeps the interiors engaging without ever tipping into excess. Every layer supports the next, creating a composition that feels polished from every angle. become truly special when they feel personal. And this home clearly carries that quality. It does not read like a showroom or a copied trend board. Instead, it feels as though someone has carefully shaped it over time, choosing what matters and letting the rest fall away. That sense of individuality gives the home warmth and credibility. It suggests a real life unfolding inside beautiful surroundings, which is often what makes classic luxury so appealing. The rooms feel curated but not frozen. They have the kind of personality that grows richer the longer you spend with them. Another beautiful feature of this home is the way each space connects to the next. Rather than feeling abrupt or overly segmented, the transitions feel smooth and intentional, almost like chapters flowing together in the same story. This creates a sense of continuity that makes the entire home feel larger, calmer, and more unified. The style remains consistent, but each room still offers its own mood and purpose. That harmony is difficult to achieve, and when it is done well, it creates a powerful feeling of ease. You do not just see the design, you experience the journey through it. In a year where interiors often move quickly between trends, this romantic classic style stands out because it offers something more lasting. It is elegant without being cold, luxurious without being loud, and beautiful without feeling disposable. That is exactly why it resonates so strongly in 2026. People are increasingly drawn to homes that feel grounded, soulful, and enduring. This design answers that desire with grace. It proves that classic interiors can still feel fresh when they are styled with sensitivity and care. The result is a home that does not chase the moment. It quietly outlives it. As this elegant luxury home tour comes to a close, the overall impression is one of softness, balance, and lasting beauty. Every room has contributed to a larger vision of romantic classic living, where elegance is not performed but lived. The home feels timeless because it understands proportion, restraint, and emotional warmth so well. It leaves behind a feeling that lingers, like the final note of a beautiful song. For Decolova, this is exactly the kind of home that reminds us why thoughtful design matters. It is not only about style, but about creating spaces that feel meaningful, comforting, and unforgettable.